Lesson 7, Using Analysis Services Data in a Report. Using analysis services data in a report is very similar to using relational data. You still need to define a data source, create a dataset, and add fields to the report. However, when creating a dataset, you write a query using MDX instead of SQL. Part 1, Creating an OLAP Cube. Open a browser and visit www.learnwithvideotutorials.com. Click the Analysis Services video tutorial. Go to Free Lessons section and watch first lesson. Part 2, Creating and Using an Analysis Services Data Source and Dataset. On the File menu, point to New, and then click Project. Click the Report Server Project wizard and type the report name. Create the data source. Select Microsoft SQL Server Analysis Services in the Type drop-down list. Type the data source name and then click Edit. Type the OLAP server name and select Car Transactions OLAP. Then click OK. Click Next and then click Query Builder. Build the MDX query. Click OK. Watch the MDX query and click Next. Choose the report type, click Tabular and click Next. Move the company field to the Groups section. Move the remaining fields to Details section and click Next. Select the Include Totals option and enable Drill Down option. Then click Next. Type the URL and click Next. Type the report name and click Finish. Run the report and test its effect. Do you want to learn new skills in the fastest and most effective way? Visit learnwithvideotutorials.com.